Hey, what's going on everyone? Reed Gonzalez here of Apex mobile app. Today I want to talk to you about the difference between a reservation and a scheduled ride. Okay, the reason I'm bringing this up is because very often I will get the question from my riders when I'm pitching Apex Rider app to them. They'll say, well, they'll either make the comment or ask, they'll say, well, doesn't Uber or Lyft already do that? You could already do a scheduled ride in there, right? And what I say is, because sometimes they don't quite hear what I'm saying when I say reservation. They hear reservation and what the Apex Rider app does, and they hear scheduling. So I say, oh, not necessarily. So the scheduling feature in Uber and Lyft, all that's doing is setting a time for you, and especially in the Uber app, all it does is that very last step for you. I'll ask them, I'll say, so the very last step you do in the app, you hit that button and it starts to hail a driver for you, and they say yes. I said, it's just doing that part for you. That part's automated. So there's no guarantee that you're gonna actually get a driver if you're out somewhere remote or if it's really early in the morning, and just definitely not letting you choose your driver. All right, so I say a difference with the reservation is you're choosing your driver, you're setting an appointment with that driver, you know who it's gonna be, and it doesn't matter how far away they are, because it's not it's not proximity based. So that's when they're like, oh, okay. And it usually sells the point a lot better with that. So there it is, the difference between a reservation and a scheduled ride. And that is it. So like this video if you like it, comment, subscribe to the channel. Of course, hit that little button up there, the little bell, to make sure you get the reminders. And really appreciate if you share this video. Share it to your wall, share it to your social media, share it to your groups. All right, thanks guys for joining me today, and I'll talk to you again real soon.